Verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Here's a more detailed explanation. Action. Verbs can show physical actions, example, run, jump, write, or mental actions, example, think, believe, understand. Occurrence. Verbs can describe events or changes, example, happen, become, grow, state of being. Verbs can indicate a condition or existence, example, be, seem, exist. All right, let's delve deeper into the world of pronouns, exploring their various types and functions. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of verbs. Types of verbs, action verbs. These express actions that the subject performs, examples, run, eat, write, think, build. Linking verbs. These connect the subject to a noun or adjective that describes it. Common linking verbs be aims, are, was, were, been, seem, appear, become, feel, look, taste, smell, sound. Example, he is a doctor, is links he to doctor. Auxiliary, helping verbs. These combine with main verbs to form verb phrase. Common auxiliary verbs be have, do, will, shall, can, may, must, should, would, could, might. Example, they are going to the store. Are is the auxiliary verb, going is the main verb. Modal verbs. These are a type of auxiliary verb that express possibility, necessity, permission, or obligation. Examples, can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Phrasal verbs. These consist of a verb combined with a preposition or adverb, creating a new meaning. Examples, look up, give in, take off. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. It provides more information about the qualities, characteristics, or state of the noun or pronoun it modifies. Here's a breakdown. Describing nouns, pronouns. Adjectives answer questions like what kind, which one, how many, or how much. They add detail and richness to sentences by providing specific attributes. Examples, the red car, what kind, the tall building, what kind. Those 3 books, how many, she is happy, what state. Let's expand on the definition of adjectives and explore their various aspects. Types of adjectives. Descriptive adjectives. These describe the qualities or characteristics of a noun. Examples, beautiful, large, heavy, soft, intelligent. Quantitative adjectives. These indicate the quantity or number of nouns. Examples, few, many, some, several, 1, 10. Demonstrative adjectives. These point out specific nouns. Examples, this, that, these, those. Possessive adjectives. These show ownership or possession. Examples, my, your, his, her, its, out, there. Interrogative adjectives. These are used in questions and modify nouns. Examples, which, what, whose. Proper adjectives. These are formed from proper nouns. Examples, Italian food, Victorian era, Shakespearean plays. Compound adjectives. These are formed by combining 2 or more words. Examples, well-known, part-time, blue-eyed.